Warm Board out here in the central coast of California in Santa Margarita, which is just south of Paso Robles, to give you a little reference. At a wonderful little ranch here for the Millers. Garth is an architect, building his own home, installing his own home, drew his own home. We have our warm source comfort system going in here with our heat pump setup. Our panels installed over slab. So we're just out today just giving them tips and tricks, get the panels going in, tubing starting to go in. They're going to get the heat pump fired up here. He's already got his solar and batteries all going. We're off grid, so they'll be able to turn on the warm source and get the system heating while we start doing drywall and everything else and get the home dried in. So fun project. Can't wait to show you some more.